Hi everyone, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name is Miss Nina and I am so excited for Storytime today. Before we get started, I want to remind you that we are doing hybrid Storytimes, which means on top of Storytimes online here, we are also doing them in person at the library. The in-person version of these Storytimes for the toddler/preschool age group are at 10:30 a.m. on Monday. Okay, now that that's out of the way, are you guys ready for Storytime? This week, our theme is sound. This week, we're going to read some books about loud noises and quiet noises. Okay, our first book is Quiet Down, Loud Town by Alastair Heim, illustrated by Matt Hunt and published by Clarion Books. Honk, 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 beep, beep, beep. Quiet down, I'm trying to sleep. Chirp, 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 tweet, tweet, tweet. Quiet down, I'm trying to eat. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Yip, yip, yip. Quiet down, you made me trip. Clank, 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 clink, clink, clink. Quiet down, I spilled my drink. Wham, bam, bam, whap, tap, tap. Quiet down, I'm going to snap. Flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop. Click, clap, click, clap, flip, flop. Pip, pop, pip, pop, pip, pop, pip. All this noise has got to stop. Quiet down, loud town. Nobody's making a sound. Yawn, yawn, yawn. Nighty night. Still awake? This isn't right. Everyone's quiet. 18, 19, 20 shoot. Oh no! It's too quiet to sleep. Buzz, 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 whir, whir, whir. Mix, mix, mix. Stir, stir, stir. Zip, zap, zip. Zoom, zam, zoom. Thump, boom, thump. Boom, thump, boom. Cheep, cheep, cheep. All this noise should do the trick. Snore, snore, snore. Zzz, click, click, click. Ding dong. Whir, whir, whir. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Quiet down. We're trying to sleep. That was Quiet Down, Loud Town. What did you guys think? Do you like it to be really loud or really quiet when you're trying to sleep? Okay, our next book is Noisy Night by Mac Barnett, pictures by Brian Biggs, and published by Roaring Book Press. What is going la 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 above my head? A man is singing opera above my head. La la la. What is going ma 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 above my head? Ma ma ma. A baby is cooing above my head. What is going ba 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 above my head? Ba ba ba. A sheep is speaking above my head. What is going ha 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 above my head? Ha ha ha! Cowboys are laughing above my head. What is going wah 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 above our heads? Wah wah wah! A girl is playing trumpet above our heads. What is going caw, caw, caw above my head? Caw, caw, caw. A crow is squawking above my head. What is going rah, rah, rah above my head? Cheerleaders are cheering above my head. Rah, rah, rah! What is going cha-cha-cha above our heads? A couple is dancing above our heads. Cha-cha-cha! What is going blah, blah, blah above our heads? An old man is hollering, "Go to bed!" Click. All right, that was Noisy Night. What did you guys think? What is a noisy sound that could be happening above your head in the middle of the night? All right, everyone, thank you for coming to story time. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with story time. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week is noisy. So we're making noisemakers. This one is made with paper cups. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now we have 2 crates, one for the Monday story times and one for the Wednesdays. So you want to make sure to grab the right kits or you're going to end up with something completely different. The kits for this story time are in the Toddler/Preschool crate. They're the red ones. We have new kits every week, so make sure to check back in every time we do a new story time. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you all next time, and I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a story time kit. Bye!